Hey guys, Richard here from Xtrons Security. What we have today is a BMW 3 Series, and what we've done on this car is we've installed a nice Xtrons Android head unit. As you can see, nice big 9-inch screen, gives you access to lots of apps you can download from the App Store, YouTube, Maps. You can use anything on this tablet type screen, and yeah, you got lots of apps on there to enjoy. Really updates the interior of this old style BMW, and yeah, so if you want something like this, yeah, we can upgrade your screen on your BMW. We've also additionally installed on this car is a Pioneer custom box, because this car is a convertible, guys. As you can see, it's a convertible hardtop, so the roof comes down. So what we've done is this nice custom box, nice and flat design, the way it's been designed, so it does not interfere with the drop top. So when the roof comes down, it does not affect the box, and you can have a nice big box, nice and compact, double subs in this convertible. So yeah, if you want something like this, guys, give us a shout on 0208 554 5554, or even message us on the comments down below, or on our email, which is info@carsoundsecurity.com. Thank you, guys.